Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing the car, park level, set the parking brake, and chock the opposite wheel so nothing shifts. Next, loosen lug nuts about 1/2 turn with a breaker bar while the tire is on the ground to prevent spinning. Once done, raise the vehicle at the manufacturer lift point, place jack stands, and lower the car until it rests. Remove lug nuts and wheel so you have clear access to the hub and the damaged stud. You'll now remove the old stud. First, remove the brake caliper and rotor if they block access. Hang the caliper so the line isn't stressed. If the stud protrudes, drive it out from the back of the hub with a punch. Otherwise, use a C-clamp and lug nut stack technique to pull it through. Once clear, insert the new stud into the hub and pull it through until the shoulder seats fully, making sure the splines align and the stud seats flush. With the new stud seated, reinstall the rotor and reattach the caliper, torquing caliper bolts to spec. Put the wheel on, hand start lug nuts, lower the car, and then torque the lug nuts in a star pattern to the manufacturer torque. Once done, drive slowly for a short distance to confirm everything feels normal, and make sure to retorque the lug nuts after 50 to 100 miles. Troubleshooting tip: if a stud won't seat, check hub.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.